All right, love the entryway. Tall ceilings, of course, is nice. You've got right off of the entryway, you've got an office up here with beautiful windows. I like the glass French door, so it gives you a little bit of privacy, but you don't feel shut in. All right, so coming in the entryway off to the right, you'll find a full bedroom and a full bathroom. It's got quartz countertops, I think, everywhere. White cabinetry. There's the room over here. Tall ceilings throughout. Really tall ceilings in here. Love the crown molding. It does have the wood tile floor. It definitely is a different type of pattern. It's got a mixture, but I'm not opposed to it. It's got grays and browns and light browns and dark browns, so you could definitely blend any type of furniture or decor. So over here you've got, this has the dining room, the light fixture over here, and they've got it kind of set up as a little sitting area. And then your family room over here. There are spots there you'll see up top for a light fixture, and you could always change that out if you want to swap it. We've got the kitchen, nice and open. It's got an eat-in breakfast area. The appliances look clean. I did check that for you, Kathy. We've got the pantry in here. The only places I'm seeing worn, there's like some of the doors have a little bit of worn areas. Definitely could get a handyman in here for you to touch up any paint spots that need to be touched up. I do like there's no backyard neighbors. It's got a fence on that side for, it looks like the other side doesn't have a fence. I always love having water in the back. Oh yeah. So backyard, no backyard neighbors, nice. Got a patio area here. Obviously you can always add on. Stucco exterior. Of course, you see here too, they do have the hurricane shutters. All right, so off of this main area is a lovely master suite. So we've got a large primary bedroom with 2 windows, king size bed. Got a beautiful bathroom in here. Got a walk-in shower and a bathtub with a window. My personal preference, I put shutters in here, so that way, obviously, you're not having to worry about it in the bathroom. And we've got a double vanity, a lovely walk-in closet. The owner has some really great taste in handbags. Unfortunately, they don't come with the house. All right, so large closet. Nice big primary. And then let's walk back this way. I'll show you the other bedrooms. I do love the crown molding everywhere. I don't see dirt like at the air vents. They look clean, which is always a nice sign. Again, the only where, like again down here, right, areas where people are sitting, you'll see a little bit of, like it probably could use a touch up on that as well. And like the corners, again, we could even get a painter to come in and do a nice coat of paint. It would not be expensive, especially if you stay with a similar color. And I like it. It's a nice neutral beige. And again, air vent here. It's clean. All right, so we've got hallway. We've got a full bath and laundry on this side. So over here, again, quartz counters. You've got white cabinets. And then we've got 2 more bedrooms over here. It's actually at least a queen size bed. And closet behind there. And then we've got another bedroom in here. With another built-in closet. It does have a fan in here. I just didn't turn that light on. Laundry room is over here attached to the garage. I don't remember if it came with washer and dryer. I'll have to refer back to the listing. And then the garage. See, again, the only places I'm really seeing the most wear and tear is like on the, which is pretty normal. All right, let's check out this garage. If I can get the light. There we go. So 3-car garage. It's got the hot water heater out here. And of course you've got 2 garage door openers as well. All right, I'm gonna come back in here. I believe I missed a linen closet right here. Oh yeah, a couple. What is this? Maybe the AC unit? Yep, AC unit. Which of course should be newer because of course the home is newer. I don't see it right away. I know the home is still pretty new. Oh yeah, 2019. There we go. And then you've got a linen closet over here. Oh, so good size linen closet. Looks about like mine, shoved full of stuff. All right, so there we go. 12,004 Cinnamon Fern Drive. Overall clean. I don't see dirt everywhere on the baseboards. I just think it, I mean, if it had a fresh coat of paint, would just give it a nice, clean, crisp pop. Paint makes a world of difference, but I don't see a ton of dirt around, which is nice compared to the last house that we looked at. Anyways, beautiful. So hope you enjoyed the tour.